Yeah, I think I'm gonna record it from behind, so let's run to the back real quick. Get a nice angle, almost trimmed. Of the vlog, we are gonna be teaching Devon how to launch the car today, and I'm gonna film it from the outside so you guys can see the car squatting out and everything, which will be pretty cool. So you ready?
Let's do it.
And we are in the middle of nowhere, like quite literally. We're actually on the way to what do they call it?
Mexico?
No, Halloween. Halloween in Tallahassee. So let's get this show on the road. We're gonna show him how to launch it. Tell you guys, we pulled up to the middle of nowhere. We really pulled up to the middle of nowhere. Check that out.
This is how the movie starts in haunted movies.
No, for real. This is like Halloween with Michael Myers.
Yeah.
That's what we're dealing with out here.
The only problem is he can't catch us.
Yeah, Michael. I'm sorry. I'm from West Palm Beach. I don't see this, so.
I would live right here on this street where the fireplace.
Do you see that? There's a fireplace going on over there.
I love the vibes.
Oh my god.
That looks like
man.
a top.
It does.
It does look like a top.
But it's not. Hop in here. Woo! I don't even know how to drive this. Actually, I do know how to drive this thing. I just don't know the stall on the stock converter, but we'll see in just a second. I actually drove this car once before, but I didn't realize all the small features like the heads-up display if the camera will focus. You can hear him taking pictures. That's kind of funny. Let me turn that down real quick. Yeah, that's super cool. Heads-up display and everything. And let's get this show on the road though. We need to do a launch and show Devon how to do it. Get these hazards off. Where's the hazards?
Up there. All right, so we're backing out the M4 right now, and we're trying to get this in a straightaway. We're pretty much in the middle of nowhere. There's like nobody around us, and I think this is a really good place to like launch the car. So I'm really curious to see how
this is automatic, right? Like still in M2, it's not gonna go to the paddles because I remember that one time it wanted to. We'll test it out right now.
There is no traction at all in M2, and I don't not have my seatbelt on. Jesus, no, Toby.
Oh, we spun like crazy.
Yeah, I don't have my seatbelt on. All right,
it's decently fast. It feels like it pulls. But the thing is, it's the DCT, bro. Like, it's just a very aggressive shifting trans. And that's why it feels faster than what it is. But, I mean, it's fun. We spun like crazy, though. We blew the tires off, and that was only 2,000 RPM.
Yeah, it spins when I'm in comfort mode, so.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you need new tires.
Yeah, I do need new tires. They're a friggin' ball.
I could feel, like, the boost loading, too. I'm gonna floor it one more time. Oh my god, it's just a DCT, bro. So like, how do you know how I do that in my car?
Yeah.
Like I slap the shifter. Can you do that in this car or no?
No.
I think you can.
It's more of a, I just change it. M1 is M2, but like a safer automatic. So I just push M1. So when I'm doing paddle shifters, it stays in M1 with the but then I just push M1 and it goes back to auto. It's a button, not a...
The heads-up display is crazy, too.
Yeah.
These cars have a very, very selective process for doing this. I'm just making sure no one's behind me in Mexico. You need to turn off the traction control, so you literally hold it for a couple seconds. It'll flash up on the dash. It'll say DSC inactive. And then from there, you have to click this 3 times, but it's already in there, right?
Yes, it's on its max setting.
Okay, so then from there, you have to slap over the shifter to the S mode, and you should be able to foot brake. That's what I'm doing, holding the brake right now, and rev it up to like, dude, really? It's on its BS.
Yeah, it's not letting you do it. Try it.
It's on its BS again.
Then you gotta let it just drive down the street, and then it'll probably like reset it or some shit like that.
This car is like so picky, it's annoying.
Shift.
I keep forgetting that's in manual mode.
Yeah.
So when it shows the numbers on here, that's in manual mode?
Yeah.
Okay, so this car is like super picky. Sometimes it lets you do it, sometimes it doesn't, and it's so weird. Or maybe we're just not doing it right because we're inexperienced, but I mean, we'll figure it out. We did it one time for TikTok and it was perfect, and then now when I try to do it, it's just not letting me hit up the launch control. But when it says launch control, like it'll say it on the dash and it'll hold at 3,000 RPM. I guess that's the default setting.
Did not know that existed until today, so this is a good experiment.
Yeah, Devon's learning his car more by me driving it.
Yeah.
See that? So now it's holding 3,000 RPM, and we'll be able to launch. I'm gonna let go of the brake. Ready? It's short shifted though.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
It what?
It decided to shift the next gear for me.
Really?
Yeah, because it was spinning and the computer's like, no, no, no. And it like cut power and it shifted the next gear.
I think it just doesn't want you blowing anything or whatever. So
No, it just doesn't want me blowing the tires off. But like, if I blow the tires off, I'm gonna let out. Let me do it. Let me around and find out, okay?
Yeah.
He said he didn't catch the flag on the dash, so we're just gonna show it one more time.
Nope, you probably have to drive again.
This car is so picky, dude.
Yeah, it's like you get one good one and that's it.
And then it sounds like it's breaking itself too, because it's so violent.
Yeah, so violent.
All right, should I try it?
Yeah, try it now. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
All right, give me a second. Give me a second.
Try it.
Nope.
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 Will not let me do it. Oh, that's weird. Well, we'll try it again when Devon goes.
Yeah.
So since I showed Mr. Devon here how to do it, he's gonna give it a shot himself, and we'll record it on the outside and inside. The tires are blowing off though in second gear, and the computer's short shifting to third to get traction. So this thing is too smart, and it doesn't want you to have any sort of driver error. In my car, it's like, go ahead and do it, man. Go ahead.
Yeah.
This one's like, nah, don't do that, don't do that.
Yeah,
So
stop it.
yeah, so it's gonna be interesting to see. You need new tires, and
Yeah. Next paycheck.
and we'll go to the drag strip with this car and get a couple passes in.
After the new tires.
Yeah, after the new tires for sure. Because right now it's just blowing the tires off, and
Yeah.
you're not gonna be able to get a full launch like that because this thing, the traction control really doesn't turn all the way off from what we've seen. Maybe there's another mode to get it all the way off, but it's not really all the way off.
Yeah, no, it has like two different kind of traction controls, like a traction control and a backup traction control, if I remember correctly.
But we held that down, did we not?
No, that's for launch control, but there's still another
layer of traction
another
control?
layer of traction control. Yeah.
And I guess you can't use that unless you're
No.
only with the first layer of traction control off.
The second layer of traction control is when you want to put the car into like a drift kind of setting. The car will then go sideways, and we need
Oh,
this.
that's stability control off. You ready?
Yeah, with the Starbucks in my middle of my thigh. Zesty.
All right, Zesty. The Zesty man's gonna give the launch a try. You ready?
Yeah.
Did it go into the mode?
Oh, I don't know.
No, it's not letting you.
No, it's not.
Brake harder and try one more time.
No,
No?
no.
Dang. Drive a little bit. Drive a little bit.
Okay.
All right, give it a shot. Is it not letting you go into that
it's
mode?
Like zero power.
What the heck, man? What is up with this car and being so picky? Okay, hold up. Let's try it again. Let's try to put it back in
It's
that
like
mode.
you're taking the power off. So I'm gonna turn it. I'm just gonna reset it everything.
No, ready? Put it there. Do that. Turn the traction control off. 1, 2, 3-ish seconds. DSC is off, right?
Yeah.
And then I would try it. Just, no, brake first. Brake all the way to the floor. Then try and do it.
No.
It's not letting you do it? Drive a little
No.
bit. Dude, what is up with
The
this
fans are
whack
kicking.
car?
The fans are kicking on, ready to do it though. You can hear them.
Is it letting you do it?
No.
Brake harder. Yeah, not
No,
letting
it
you
was.
do it.
It was pretty easy when it did it. We could
Yeah. What is that, bro?
just. I could just drive around normally.
Some of those shifts feel so violent that it
Yeah.
feels like you're breaking something.
Yeah, I know.
Like the driveline shock in this car is insane.
Oh, I don't have the DC off. My bad.
Yeah, DSC off.
Now try it.
There's someone coming. So if you're gonna do it fast. Let off.
Oh.
You just did a rolling burnout.
I did that. Ate the tires alive.
I was like, let off. Yep, now you got a mod, so now you'll hook.
That. Oh, now they're hot.
Yeah, they're hot. What did you even do?
I don't know. I've never done that before ever.
Oh, you did a rolling burnout. You saw
Yeah, I did.
that? You just unintentionally did a rolling burnout just there. I'm like, let off.
I'm like, oh, why is it
I'm like,
spinning?
I'm sweating. I'm like, let off.
Yeah. Now the tires are shot.
Try it. Yeah, there you go. Did it short shift again?
It did, yeah.
Yeah, because the computer knows it's
Yeah,
spinning.
it went from one. It shifted from second to third, or first to second by itself.
Well, I
in
want to get what that
manual.
looks like on the outside. That probably looks sick.
Yeah, it would. We could try it.
All right, let's get it on the outside. Is it letting you do it? Make sure the DSC is off. Yes or no? Yeah? No? All right, drive a little bit. I don't know why it does that, guys. Like, it's so weird. Maybe if you guys own a BMW and can tell us why it does that, that would be awesome. What in the heck is in my shoe? But yeah, I don't know why it does that. It's weird. Yeah, I think I'm gonna record it from behind, so let's run to the back real quick. Get a nice angle, almost trimmed. Definitely let him do it that time. I heard it hitting a two-step. Man, that thing sounds kind of nasty. Like you hear it popping in between the shifts. That's sick. That was definitely a good launch. Picking up the vlog here, we came back from Tallahassee at like 5 a.m. and that was okay. It was not worth going all that way. But I'm gonna show you guys the process of fulfilling the merch. Actually, I'm not gonna put my hand there because I'm just gonna have to censor it off anyways. So what we're gonna do is just show the process of printing off everything, packaging it up, and we have a whole bunch of them already done. So I think I did like 65 out of 150 orders so far. It's a process, boys. So all those right there are packed up merch pieces. And then we have the t-shirt, obviously right here. It came out the best on the white, if I'm being honest. So this is like a 2XL. I think we have hoodies over here, and it's just gonna take a while to fill out everything. I mean, it's just packaging and that type of stuff. I also picked up that scale, but let's go ahead and do one for an example, just so you guys can see what it is. And if you guys are interested in the merch, it's linked in the bio. So it's TobyVegaD.company.site. We still have a couple of units left, so make sure to get one before they're all sold out. Doing this medium hoodie as an example, so I'm actually really happy with how these turned out. Came out awesome. The quality is insane. It literally will not fade at all. It's like vinyl material. Then if we look on the back side, same thing. So yeah, this will not fade. That'll be a long-term design. Came out really nice. I have new merch dropping for Christmas. You guys are really gonna like it. It's with the Camaro or Soli. But let's do this. So let's fulfill one of these and just show you guys the process. Perfect. This one's going to my boy Luke. I'm not trying to leak all of his details, so we're gonna have to censor everything out. But let's go ahead and buy the shipping label. I mean, this is like a pretty good website. I'll use my referral code. I'll actually put it up on the screen if you guys want to use this. And if you're interested in doing it yourself, it's ECWID. So now what we do is measure out everything and use that scale to make sure that we have accurate readings for USPS, and then we can print a label. I actually picked up this really awesome printer or label printer right here. It's the Dymo 4XL. I can link that down in the description as well, or tag it in the products if you guys are interested in doing this yourself. Need to get this thing all packaged up. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is fold it a specific way so we can reduce our package size and reduce the shipping costs, because everything has to be calculated out for a profit, obviously. You don't wanna go too crazy with the dimensions and stuff. So what I find best is to fold it up, and then it'll be set and ready to go. So I need to put the camera down so I can actually do this properly, and I'll show what it looks like in end. So there you go. I'm trying to work with the angles here. I kind of have the camera up on a really sketchy position on my headphone stand, but I've got it all rolled up. This is what it looks like, and then you're gonna take it and put it in the bag. So super simple stuff, just like that. For next time, when I have more time to actually push these things out, I definitely want to include like some signed cards and stuff like that for the people that buy the merch. I think that would be a good idea. Let me know what you all think in the comment section below. But yeah, I'm gonna fold it, reduce as much size as possible, stick on the sticker right there. Should be good to go. So that's the final package. It's time to print the label. Just gonna take a couple of dimensions here. So what do we have for height? We have about 13 inches long. All right, I need to put this down. Just confirm that one more time. Okay, yeah, about 12 and a half actually. And let's see the width of the actual contents. We got about 9 inches. And then the height, 3 inches. Perfect. So now we enter this into the website. As you can see right here, we're gonna go in real simple. So what did I say for the height? Said about, oh my God, I forgot. Never mind, I filled out all the dimensions. So 12 by 5 by 9 by 3.3. Now we need to measure it out for the weight so we get an accurate reading of that. So I actually went to Walmart, picked up this awesome food scale, and that's that right there. We touch it on. This is like for weighing food and that type of stuff if you're crazy about bodybuilding. Yeah, we can get the weight real quick. So it's 1 pound and 2.3 ounces. We need to enter that. So like I said, that'll be 1 pound. And then if we go over here, kind of hard to do this with one hand, 2.3 ounces. And now we can press continue, get our shipping options, customs declaration. This must be an overseas type of shipment. Anyways, I got the label all taken care of. We need to censor that out, and it's set and ready to go to Canada. So that was actually a little bit more expensive because it was to Canada, but my typical shipping costs are $4 to $5 within the United States, and I calculated that in with free shipping. So that being said, once again, you guys need to cop the merch if you're interested, and I will link it down in the description below, but that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna go install some long tube headers on Sully. So if you guys enjoyed this one, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.